Hey filmmakers, Chung here. In this video we're going to show you how to make a Stomp Text Slot effect inside of Premiere Pro. So this is an effect I can't really make a motion graphic or a preset of because it's all dependable on your text length and your font size and everything else. So it's something that you basically need to learn how to make. So we're going to teach you as fast as possible as I can. So first press this T tool or press T on your keyboard and click on your preview screen and type the words that you want to use. So the thing is, you want to type in something and then like a word that changes the whole time. So we're going to do something that's more corporate here. So it's promote and then your and then creativity and then use this to move it in the middle here. And we're going to type in creativity again. Activity. And then business. And then self. So we have these three words we want to go through. Move this creativity in place so that it's aligned with the other word, and select the other, like promote yourself entirely, and then select out the creativity and delete it. So now we are going to add a few effects and go to effects here, and I have like my quick list here, but you can use a search here to search for crop. Select that, drag it onto here, and the other effect that we need is transform. And now go to FX control. Now we're going to make sure we have the layers of effects on the correct layer. So promote your needs to be all the way at the bottom. And then we need to have the crop under the transform. And now we can change the crop effect here. Select it so we can see the bounding box. And now we are going to crop the top and bottom. So it just isn't cropping the words and the bottom and here, so it's just not cropping it, so like that. And we can turn off this crop for the moment so it's easier to work with. And one thing, we need to make a guide for yourself so it's easier to actually make sure that you're at the same height. So there are no guide rules or rule guides here. So we need to use this rectangle tool and just make a box here. So actually go to fit so we can easily draw that box. So here, okay, to unselect that. So here we can now draw this box. So it should not be like just draw the box here. It doesn't need to be perfect. Go back to FX control, make the opacity of it 50%. And let's go to 200 here and alter the box a little bit so we have it a little bit like nicer aligned. Okay, so that looks perfect. And also now we can move the shape, also needs to be at the correct layer. Actually it should be fine being here. So now we can start changing the transform here. So here the shutter angle I want to be 360 and turn off this. The reason for 360, I want a little bit more blur going on than usable because we want this effect to move quite fast. So now at position, we can actually already add a keyframe here. Press this stopwatch to add a keyframe. Move this keyframe out of the way because this keyframe would be for the creativity. Now we can move using this parameter up and just move business in place here, so that it's here in this bounding box, and also have this keyframe, move this up here and move up self That is in place. Move this also out of way a little bit, and I'll move this up just like this. I think that should be enough. So now we are going to hold down Shift arrow to the right once. Move this keyframe here. Right mouse click on it and copy it. Hold down Shift to the right and now 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And Command or Control V to paste the keyframe. And now Shift to the right once. Move this keyframe. Right mouse click, copy it, and Shift to the right 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Command V and Shift to the right once and move the last keyframe into place. So now when we play this, we should have like this movement going on, and basically we are done. We can turn on crop and turn off this shape, or actually delete this shape layer. So now let's look at the final result. So this is the result. So that was how to make the effect. Hope you guys found this a very interesting video. If you are new to this channel and want to see more upcoming videos, please hit that subscribe button here below. Also make sure to hit that bell icon so you're always updated when I post a new video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you the next time. Bye bye.